Hello students, today we are starting chapter 9 Human Settlement. The word settlement means the place where different community peoples live together. Settlement. The interaction between human being and nature has resulted in the development of human environment. Human environment is the environment which are modified by the human being with the interaction between human being and nature. The Industrial Revolution accelerate the growth and spread of human civilization. The settlement grew from tiny hamlet to villages. The word hamlets means small group of house. Along with food and clothing, shelter is a basic need of humans. A settlement is defined as an organized group of human habitation where people build their houses to live in. Settlements may vary in size from a small dwelling. Dwelling means the place where people live or the house where people live, to a cluster of houses and even to an organized unit of many dwellings with well-developed and planned amenities and facilities. The size of settlement may vary. It may vary from a small house, a single small house, to a cluster of houses with well-planned amenities. Selection of a place for a settlement, its growth and evolution are influenced by a number of factors like topography of the region. The region is whether a mountainous region or a plain region. Plain region attract more population as comparing to the mountainous region. Second is availability of the water. People prefer to live in the places where water are easily available. Third is fertile soil. The area which have fertile soil attract more population. Like for India, northern plains attract more population as comparing to the other area because of the availability of the fertile soil, which is very good for the development of agriculture. Fourth is the favorable climate. We prefer to live in the place which have favorable climate. Depending on their shape, size, pattern, site, function, etc., settlements are classified in various ways. There are different classification of settlement on their shape, size, pattern, site, function, etc. The main two classification of settlement is done on the basis of main economic activity of the people. Rural settlement and urban settlement are the two major types of settlement. Rural settlements means the settlement which located in village area, and urban settlement means the settlement which are located in the town and cities. In rural settlement, agriculture is the main activity of the people. Rural settlement has limited facilities in terms of infrastructure like healthcare centers, education centers, market, etc. On the other hand, the main activity of the urban settlement is secondary activities like industries and tertiary activities like banking or trade. Infrastructure and civic amenities in terms of transport and communication, medical and educational facilities are better developed in urban areas. So these are the two major settlements, rural settlement and urban settlement. Settlement may be classified according to the stage of development, whether the settlement is fully developed or it is in the state of development. A settlement may begin as an isolated farmhouse, and thereafter when few more houses come up, it may form a hamlet. This then grows into a village as more dwellings gather around it. When certain well-situated villages acquire a large area and better services and facilities like transportation facilities, health center, they grow into towns. Many towns over a period of time develop into cities which are identified by denser settlements and very good civic and administrative facilities. When a city becomes extremely large, it acquires the status of metropolis. Some examples of metropolis cities in our India are like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, etc.